आप सब गौर करिए, all unmanned level crossings on broad gauge network have been completely eliminated. आज पूरे देश में एक भी अनमैन्ड लेवल क्रॉसिंग ब्रॉडगेज नेटवर्क पे बचा नहीं है. Introduction of the first indigenously developed and manufactured semi-high-speed Vande Bharat Express will give the Indian passengers world-class experience with speed, service and safety. This major leap in wholly developed technology by our engineers will give an impetus to the Make in India program and create jobs. Capital support from the budget for railways is proposed at rupees 64,587 crore in 1920 budget estimate. In fact, the railways overall capital expenditure program is a historic 1,58,658 crore. The operating ratio is also expected to improve from 98.4% in 17-18 to 96.2% in 18-19 revised estimate, and further to 95% in the budget estimate of 2019-20. India provided leadership to the global effort to address the problem of climate change. Our commitment to promote renewable energy is reflected in setting up the International Solar Alliance, the first treaty-based international intergovernmental organization headquartered in India. India's installed solar generation capacity has grown 10 times in the last 5 years. 10 गुना वृद्धि हुई है सौर ऊर्जा में देश में पिछले 5 वर्षों में. This sector is now creating lakhs of new age jobs. India's import dependence on crude oil and natural gas has been a source of big concern to our government. While we have taken a large number of measures to moderate the increasing demand through usage of biofuel and alternate technologies, urgent action is needed to increase hydrocarbon production to reduce imports. A high-level interministerial committee constituted by us has made several specific recommendations, including transforming the system of bidding for exploration, changing from revenue sharing to exploration program for category 2 and 3 basins. The government is in the process of implementing these recommendations. The people of Northeast have also received significant benefits of infrastructure development. Arunachal Pradesh came on the air map recently, and Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram have come on India's rail map for the first time. Allocation for the northeastern areas is being proposed to be increased by 21% to rupees 58,166 crore over 2018-19 budget estimates. Digital India Revolution. Madam Speaker, India is now leading the world in the consumption of mobile data. Monthly consumption of mobile data increased by over 50 times, 50 गुना. पिछले 5 वर्षों में मोबाइल डेटा 50 गुना बढ़ा. The cost of data and voice calls in India is now possibly the lowest in the world. Today, under Make in India, mobile and mobile part manufacturing companies have increased from 2 to more than 268, providing huge job opportunities. More than 3 lakh common service centers employing about 12 lakh people are digitally delivering several services to the citizens, particularly in rural areas. The common service centers are expanding their services and also creating digital infrastructure in the villages, including connectivity to convert the villages into digital villages now. हमारी सरकार की योजना है कि अगले 5 वर्षों में हम 1 लाख डिजिटल विलेजेस बनाने जाएंगे. Jan Dhan, Aadhaar, mobile, and direct benefit transfer have been game changers. Bank nationalization was first done 50 years ago, but a large part of the country was left out of the economic mainstream with no access to formal banking. In the last 5 years, nearly 34 crore Jan Dhan bank accounts were opened. Aadhaar is now near universally implemented. This has helped ensure the poor and middle class receive the benefits of government schemes directly in their bank's account by eliminating middlemen. बिचौलियों को हमने समाप्त किया. Entertainment industry is a major employment generator. To promote entertainment industry, single window clearance for ease of shooting films, earlier available only to foreigners, is now going to be made available to Indian filmmakers as well. Regulatory provisions will rely more on self-declaration. We will also introduce anti-camcording provisions in the Cinematograph Act to control the menace of piracy. हम सबको पिक्चर बॉलीवुड का भी शौक रहता है, पिक्चरें भी देखते हैं, और ये इतने बड़े रूप में रोजगार का अवसर प्रदान करता है. भारत में अन्य क्षेत्रों में फिल्म बनाने का काम बहुत बड़े गति से चल रहा है, तो उन सबको रोजगार मिलेगा, चाहे वो तेलुगु में फिल्म बने, चाहे मलयालम में बने. अभी हाल में आप सबने शायद देखी हो, मेरे को तो पूरी पिक्चर देखने का सौभाग्य मिला. जो मजा आया, जो जोश था उस हॉल के अंदर, simplification of direct tax system to benefit taxpayers. Madam Speaker, for making the life of our direct taxpayers easy, we reduced tax rates more for the common man and middle class and made the interface with the tax department much simpler and largely faceless. Due to this, the tax collections increased significantly from rupees 6,38,000 crore in 2013-14 to almost 12 lakh crore rupees this year. The number of returns filed have also increased from 3.79 crore to 6.85 crore, showing 80% growth in tax base. I thank the honest taxpayers of India for reposing faith in our government. Let me assure them that we have used their contribution to serve the poor and create better infrastructure. The Income Tax Department now functions online. Returns, assessments, refunds, and queries are all undertaken online. Last year, 99.54% of all returns, इंडिविजुअल के हो, व्यापारी के हो, उद्योग के हो, सभी रिटर्न्स का 99.54%, 99.54% रिटर्न्स को एक्सेप्ट कर दिया गया जैसे फाइल हुए, बिना कोई स्क्रूटनी, बिना कोई अधिक कार्रवाई. Our government has now approved a path-breaking technology-intensive project to transform the income tax department into a more assessee-friendly one. All returns will be processed in 24 hours and refunds issued simultaneously. Within the next 2 years, और ये बहुत important बात है, within the next 2 years, almost all verification and assessment of returns selected for scrutiny also will be done electronically through an anonymized back office manned by tax experts and officials without any personal interface between the taxpayer and the tax officer. आगे चल के स्क्रूटनी के लिए भी आपको दफ्तर नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. और किसका स्क्रूटनी हो रही है और कौन अफसर है, ये दोनों को एक दूसरे का परिचय नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा, वो कंप्यूटर के थ्रू एनोनिमाइज हो जाए। Reducing the tax burden on the middle class. Reducing the tax burden on the middle class has always been our priority ever since our government took office in 2014. We increased the basic exemption limit from 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh and gave tax rebate so that no tax was payable by persons having income up to rupees 3 lakhs. We also reduced the tax rate from 10% to 5% for the tax slab from 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh and introduced standard deduction of rupees 40,000 for the salaried class. Deduction of savings under section 80C was increased from 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh. Deduction of interest for self-occupied house property was raised from 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh. इतने सारे प्रभावी कदम उठाए गए जिससे लगातार हर वर्ष मध्यम वर्गीय और खासतौर पे जो वेतन पाते हैं उन सबको लगातार कुछ ना कुछ लाभ देने के प्रयत्न इस सरकार ने पिछले 4 साल में 4.5 साल में लगातार किए हैं. Special benefits and incentives were also given to small businesses and startups. Overall compliance processes were simplified. Threshold limit for presumptive taxation of business was raised from 1 crore to 2 crores. The benefit of presumptive taxation was extended for the first time to small professionals having threshold limit of 50 lakh rupees. In order to promote a less cash economy, the presumptive profit rate has been reduced from 8% to 6%. The tax rate for companies with turnover of up to rupees 250 crore, और ये लगभग 99% कंपनियां इसमें आ जाती हैं. 250 करोड़ तक के जो टर्नओवर की कंपनी है 99% कंपनियां इसके अंतर्गत आ जाती हैं. इनका भी टैक्स रेट 30 से घटा के 25% सरकार ने पिछले वर्षों में कर दिया. We have also made this 25% applicable to new manufacturing companies without any turnover limit. नए उद्योग को प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए बिना लिमिट 25% ही सिर्फ इनकम टैक्स रखना है. GST reform for benefit to consumers and businesses. The goods and services tax reforms lingered on during the previous government for almost a decade. Our government implemented the GST, which is undoubtedly the biggest taxation reform undertaken since independence. 17 different taxes levied by the central and state and union territory governments were, with cascading effect of tax on tax, were consolidated into one GST. India became one common market. GST has resulted in increased tax base, higher collections, and ease of trade. This will reduce the interface between the taxpayer and the government for day-to-day operations and assessments. Now, returns are fully online and e-way bill system is in place. Interstate movements have become faster, more efficient, hassle-free, with no entry tax, check post, truck queues. ये सब इतिहास के पन्नों में चले गए. अब आसानी से व्यापार हो सकता है अलग-अलग राज्यों के बीच में. The high taxation levied on multiple commodities in the pre-GST regime has been rationalized, and the burden on the consumer, especially the poor and the middle class, has been significantly reduced. आप सभी जानते हैं कि जीएसटी काउंसिल में केंद्र सरकार है और सभी राज्यों की और यूनियन टेरिटरी की सरकार मिलके जीएसटी काउंसिल में एक साथ मिलके सब सर्वसम्मति से निर्णय लेती हैं. इस जीएसटी काउंसिल ने अलग-अलग रेट्स, पुराने के रेट्स को देखते हुए अलग-अलग रेट्स निर्धारित किए थे और लगभग सभी रेट ऐसे निर्धारित करने की कोशिश की कि जो प्री जीएसटी रेट से कम थे. Since then, GST has been continuously reduced, providing relief of further 80,000 crore annually to the customers, to the consumers. most items of daily use of the poor and middle class are now in the 0 to 5% tax slab. अब उरी देखने के बाद कुछ तो सिनेमा हॉल्स के प्रति भी और सिनेमा देखने वाले सभी जनता के प्रति संवेदना की भावना स्वाभाविक रूप से आती है। सिनेमा गोअर्स जिनको अलग अलग टैक्स के रेट्स होते थे और कई राज्यों में तो 50% से अधिक टैक्स लगता था, अब साधारणतः अधिकांश जो सिनेमा हॉल्स हैं उसमें मात्र 12% जीएसटी लगता है। Our government wants the GST burden on home buyers. जो घर खरीदते हैं उनके ऊपर भी जीएसटी का बर्डन कम होना चाहिए। उसके हिसाब से हमने जीएसटी काउंसिल को रिक्वेस्ट करके एक ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स तय किए और वो ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स अब पूरी तरीके से देख रहे हैं कि जो घर खरीदने वाले हैं उनका टैक्स का बर्डन कैसे कम किया जाए।